Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. My name is Julie. What is your name?
My name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Brajesh.
Yeah,
Okay. Well, I'm happy to meet you, Brajesh.
same here.
Uh-huh. And how was your day today? How was your Monday?
It was very good Monday, and as usual, I did properly all my work. And
Okay.
yeah, if your day will good, then you feel a little bit refreshing. So it was very good day for me.
Okay. So it was a good day and you feel good.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do? So you said that you were working today. What kind of job do you do?
Yeah, I work farming in my farm, and as well as I am learning English because I have completed my post graduation with English. That's why I want to brush upon my English. And
Okay.
while talking, many Cambridge tutors suggested that you should work on your pronunciation.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I agree that my pronunciation is not that much good, but
Mm-hmm.
I will focus on that. So
Okay.
I think if I will keep practicing, it will be better in future.
That's true. That's true. We say practice makes perfect.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yes, yes. So, Brajesh, what do you like to do on Cambly? Do you like to go through a lesson? Do you just want to have a chat? What do you like to do?
For long, I didn't have any lesson. So if you would you like to teach something, I will agree.
Okay, all right. So I can choose anything.
Yeah,
All right. I have a list of questions. Let me just open them up for you. And then, do you like to travel?
yeah, I like.
Okay, let me see. Actually, here is one about. Do you like movies?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a link. Please open it. But if you can't open it, it's fine. I can read the questions to you. Okay, so the topic is about movies. Okay, so movies, conversation, questions. So we're going to talk about movies. Okay, tell me when it's open on your side. Is it open?
I think it will take time.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. You can just listen and then I will ask you the questions. Okay, it's just questions and then you will answer. Okay,
Okay.
so here's the first question. What movies how many movies have you seen this year? It's very, it's only February. So how many movies have you seen this year?
In this year, I
Hmm.
have seen.
Between January and February.
Yeah. So before 2 or 3 months, I just saw RRR, which is a South Indian movie, and
Hmm.
movie there is a song Nato Nato, which is received I think Grammy award or some.
Really? It won a Grammy Award.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
wow.
that movie was very fantastic. And before 5 months, I saw KGF 2, and it was a really amazing movie. I enjoyed a lot, and
Hmm.
I learned a lot of things from this movie. And the first things is that if you make promise with your mother, so you must uh, live up to on this promise till your last breath.
Okay, so if you make a promise to your mother, you need to keep that promise.
Yeah,
Okay. What kind of movies do you like to watch, Pujesh? Do you have a preference for maybe action movies or horror movies? What kind of movies do you like? We call it a genre. Do you know this word, genre? All
yeah,
right.
I know.
Yeah. So, what genres of movies do you like?
Uh, Action movie I like and love story I like most because
Okay. You like
yeah,
action movies and love stories.
yeah, I
Okay. So,
do.
romantic movies.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I don't movie
Why not?
because I just want to learn something from anything.
Mm,
So uh, in action movies and in love stories, we learn something. But in
mm.
horror movie, I think so there is nothing
Nothing to
worthwhile.
learn. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. Do you feel scared? Is that why?
not at all.
Okay. You just don't like them.
Yeah, I don't like. Otherwise, I am very courageous person.
All right. All right. Okay. And what is your favorite movie of all time?
My favorite movie in India, it was Three Idiot.
Say again.
Three Idiot.
Okay. Is it a romantic movie or an action movie?
No, it's not an action movie, not romantic. It was just upon student life movies. It's depend on student life. So in this movie, you can see that if you want to do photography,
Yes.
so you shouldn't do engineering. Like so, in this movie, you can learn these things that if you love any passion, any things, like if you want to be a teacher, if you want to be a teacher, so you should focus on teaching and you should choose teaching.
Okay. So you should do what you love.
Yeah, in this
Okay.
movie, this is a main thing that you should choose whatever you like to do.
Okay. So have you heard this expression in English? We often say follow your heart. Okay. So this means do what you truly love. Sometimes we say follow your passion. Sometimes we say follow your passion. It's the same. It's the same. So it means if you want to be a teacher, if that's what your heart desires, then do that. If you want to be a doctor, if you want to be a nurse, if your heart desires that, try as much as you can to do it. Okay.
Yeah, and by watching this movie, I saw that in this movie there are teachers that parents shouldn't impose their will on their children.
Yes. Because sometimes
Be-
parents are they can force kids to do something they're not passionate about.
Yeah, that's why people shouldn't make their children
Mm,
robot.
yeah, so parents sometimes put pressure on their kids. That's true. And how about you, Brijesh? Did you feel any pressure from your parents to do or study what you did not want?
Actually, my parents is not that much educated, so they
Okay.
don't know about much. Even uh, they can't say anything about my study because they don't know very well. They are just farmer.
Yes.
So
Yes. In
having
a
known of
way, In a
Yeah,
way, you could choose what you wanted. There was no pressure.
yeah, absolutely. There was no pressure, but in my village, I saw a lot of shortcomings. So initially, I thought that first of all we must be educated, and after that, if I will some good, if I will do something good, then I will teach to my villagers that do this thing and do not this. So I will teach, and I will say a lots of good good things, and I will I will make them understand what is wrong, what is not wrong, and what is the consequences of uneducatedness. So I will motivate them to teach their children as well. So that's why I saw a lot of shortcoming in my society, in my village. That's why
Yes.
I decided to study further.
Ye- Okay. Have you moved away from your village? Are you now in a big city?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. I see. So you just go visit maybe when you've got free time.
yeah. So when we
Okay.
visit any state, so we must learn something from uh, from any state, and I live in my village.
Okay. All right. I see. What is that was your favorite movie, right? Now, what is the worst movie that you have ever seen?
I can't remember because
Okay.
people always remind the things they love.
Yes, true. You forget the bad stuff, you remember the good stuff.
Yeah,
Uh,
so if you wanna choose any worst things, it doesn't come into your mind easily.
Yes, yes, that's true. That's true. Okay. So the next question is, I'm not sure about India, but in my country, movies are becoming quite or a little bit more expensive than in the past. In India, is going to the movies expensive or is it cheap?
It's not that much expensive, but
Okay.
if you are poor, then you must feel it's expensive.
Yes, you will feel, yes. Okay. So it's not expensive. That's
Yeah,
good.
not at all.
Do you pay the same for a local movie and an international movie? So let's say if you're watching an American movie or if you're watching an Indian movie, is the price the same?
Not at all. I think there is a little bit differences.
Okay. So the international ones are a bit more.
Yeah, little bit.
Okay. Okay. In my country, movies are they're getting expensive these days. I don't know why. A lot of people are complaining. So I think it's good that in your country it is not very expensive. Okay. And who's your favorite actor and who's your favorite actress?
My favorite actress is a South Indian actress named actor Allu Arjun.
Write it down for me if you can.
Yeah,
I know some Indian actresses. I know um what's her name? But I know the old ones, not the new ones. Priyanka is Priyanka Chopra.
yeah. It is. It was from my state, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, okay. I know very few. I know very few, but I know some of them. And why do you like that person? Um, is they acting? Are they very talented?
Yeah, they are very talented, and the look is very amazing.
Oh, okay. Rashmika. Alu is Arjun.
Actor.
Okay.
Yeah,
Actor and then actress is Rasmika.
yeah.
Okay. I'm going to look them up. All right. So, Brijesh, we've got 5 seconds to go, but I really think that your understanding